Out here on the nature coast, where the river slips between the mangroves like an old secret, there's a stretch of wild land locals don't talk about unless the fire's low and the night is deep. The Waccasassa Swamp. Some say this place has memories. Some say it has guardians. And some claim to see figures moving where no footsteps ever land. They call them the shadow people, tall silhouettes that watch from the trees, silent as driftwood, until the moment you blink. Boaters and kayakers swear they've seen them. Shapes standing still as statues, never stepping forward, but never quite staying in the same place. Scientists call it imagination. Photographers call it a trick of the light. But folks who've spent time on this river, well, they just call it Florida. What's true is this: the Waccasassa is one of the last untouched wild places on the Gulf Coast, a refuge for gators, herons, and maybe a few things we haven't named yet. So if you ever paddle these waters and feel eyes on you, don't be afraid. The shadow people don't want anything. They're just watching over the swamp and making sure we respect this wild corner of Florida. This is the Waccasassa Swamp. This is its legend. And this is flying high in Florida, keeping an eye on the places where stories still breathe.